Imagine a city, home to millions, where the air is so polluted that breathing it is akin to smoking 10 to 15 cigarettes a day. That's the stark reality for the inhabitants of Delhi, India's capital, and the world's most polluted city. It all started innocuously enough. Every year, the northern plains of India, including Delhi, are blanketed in a smoky brown haze during the winter months. The Air Quality Index, or AQI, in Delhi often reaches very poor levels. A major concern is the concentration of particulate matter PM2.5 in the air, a poisonous substance that can lead to severe health issues. The crisis escalates in November with the burning of crop stubble in neighboring states. But the pollution doesn't solely come from outside Delhi's borders. The city's own pollution, caused by vehicles, industrial emissions, construction dust, and household fires, also contributes to the problem. The situation is further exacerbated by the loss of oxygen-producing forests and the removal of natural barriers to dust due to illegal mining. As the pollution levels rise, they have severe consequences. There have been times when the AQI in New Delhi soared above 400, a level considered severe or hazardous. On such occasions, primary schools close, and older students are banned from outdoor activities. Tackling this issue is no easy task. Authorities struggle to effectively address the pollution crisis due to limited resources and lack of cooperation between political parties. The Supreme Court has even called for collaboration between Delhi, neighboring states, and federal authorities to improve the situation. Yet there is hope. Companies like Airly are developing technology to monitor and combat air pollution. Airly provides air quality sensors and software to generate real-time hyper-local reports on pollution levels. This data empowers both government and private enterprises to take actionable measures and make positive changes. The struggle against air pollution is a collective one. Each and every one of us has a role to play. Whether it's cutting down on vehicle emissions, reducing industrial pollution, or planting more trees, these small actions can lead to significant changes. Remember, the air we breathe today shapes the health we enjoy tomorrow. So let's do our part in combating air pollution. After all, we all deserve to breathe clean, fresh air.